Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be discussing business plans. Yes, business plans. Business plans are an important piece for a company's growth and just to give you direction for yourself and your business. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Why a business plan? Well, business plan is a great way to keep you focused on your business and what your business needs are and what you plan to do in the future. It's kind of like a guide for you and your people if you have employees. So what are the components of a business plan? There's a few, and I'll go over each one to help you. There's vision, there's your mission, there's your pricing strategy, your advertising and marketing, your objectives, and action plans. And before I go any further, please consider subscribing. We really appreciate your support and giving a big like on this video. We really appreciate it. So there's different types of business plans that are out there. So I would like to cover a service business because I think that is what most of not only our viewers do, but also what a lot of people are doing more and more of. And so what's a service business plan? It's like if you're providing any type of service, whether it's accounting, whether you're providing some type of expertise, consulting, you're a coach or a trainer, the list goes on and on and on. So vision. Under vision, what you want to really consider is what the future of your business will look like. Do you plan to eventually have an office? Do you plan to eventually have your own location? Do you want to have 5 employees? What will your business look like in the next 3 to 5 years? That's essentially what your vision section is just really pointing out where you want your business to go. And you also want to think about whether or not you're going to sell this business or you're just going to keep this business and you're just going to grow it and pass it to your family or what have you. That's part of the vision plan as well. And the next component is your mission. That's your mission or your mission statement. And essentially your mission statement will describe how you'll get to your vision. What specific services will you provide? What is your target market? And who are you going to target to buy your services? And why will they pick you over any other competitor? And another piece is how will you provide your services? Will it be online? Will it be one-on-one? Will it be at a location? Will you need to lease out some office space? Or will it be a little bit of both? You'll want to have all of that in your mission statement. The next component is your pricing strategy. Now, this is where you have to get into the numbers. You'll have to determine what price you're going to charge for your service. Is it going to be hourly? Is it going to be per session? Is it going to be monthly? Those are some of the things that you want to think about when you're looking at your pricing strategy. You'll want to see what your competition is doing. And you also want to know how many clients or customers you'll need to reach your monthly goal for your expenses and your profits. And in this section, you'll probably even want to consider a break-even analysis, which basically would determine how many customers you'll need to provide those services based on your time, energy, equipment, etc. If you're able to, in this section, is use Excel or Google Sheets or something like that that will help you line out your prices, how many clients you'll need to give you a monthly revenue minus your expenses to give you some profits. So you'll at least know what it is that you need in the first month, 2 months, in the first year, even 3 to 5 years. It wouldn't hurt to have that all planned out in this section. The next section we'll cover is advertising and marketing. In this section, you'll want to describe what kind of marketing you'll need. What will your budget be? How much do you think you'll need to expend on your marketing and advertising to gather customers? Will you need a business website? Will you need an individual email address? Will you need to open social media accounts? Will it be certain specific social media accounts that are going to be specific to your business, or will it be all of them? Does your business actually need business cards? Those are some of the things that you really want to think about in this section. And you'll also want to think about whether or not you're going to give discounts. Are you going to have promotions? Are you going to need them to get you going in the beginning? Again, those are some of the things to think about in this section. Now, objectives. Now, objectives are a little bit trickier than the rest because you want to formulate a strategy. You want to formulate exactly how you're going to acquire your customers, what time frame, how you're going to be profitable, by what time frame. So it will give you goals for yourself and your business. Some examples could be capture 20% of the local market by your first year, have gained 5 paying customers in the first 6 months, earn net income of $50,000 in my first year, or make 100 YouTube videos in my first year. Whatever it is that you think you'll need to do to grow your business, you want to list out in the objectives section. And finally, action plans. In the action plans, it's really beneficial if you use an Excel spreadsheet, for example, to really outline dates, times, and actions to keep you on course. So for example, by this date, I'm gonna have my business incorporated, have my business bank account, and have all my paperwork completed by this specific date. Another one could be by this date, I'm gonna have all my office supplies ready for my office. Another example is by this date, I'm gonna have my website and social media up and running. Or by this date, I need to hire an accountant, like Stephanie Ramirez. Just saying. Your action plan section should really outline those dates to give you some actual short-term and long-term goals to hit to make progress on your business. There you have it, guys, a business plan for you guys. Simple, short, doesn't have to be complex, but hopefully this helps you get organized. If you haven't had a business plan in the past and you're already in business, it wouldn't hurt to just sit down and just kind of establish those anyways. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. We really appreciate your support. And if you haven't done so, please like this video as well. That's all we have for today. Hope to see you in the next one.